SQL injection is the #1 web application vulnerability. One small mistake in your Node.js code can expose your entire database to attackers. So how do you prevent it? First, understand the danger. When you concatenate user input directly into SQL queries, attackers can inject malicious SQL commands. Here's a vulnerable example. If a user enters a malicious string, they can execute arbitrary SQL and steal your data. The solution is parameterized queries or prepared statements. Instead of concatenating strings, use placeholders for user input. The database driver treats these values as data, never as executable SQL. Here's the safe version using parameterized queries. Notice the question mark placeholder. This is the gold standard for SQL injection prevention. You can also use an ORM like Sequelize, Prisma, or type ORM, or a query builder like Nex. These tools automatically handle parameterization and escaping, so you never have to write raw SQL. They provide an abstraction layer that's both safer and easier to maintain. Add defense in depth. Validate and sanitize all user input before it reaches your queries. Use database user accounts with the principle of least privilege, granting only the permissions each service actually needs. And always keep your dependencies updated to patch known vulnerabilities. Remember, parameterized queries are your first line of defense. Combine them with ORMs, input validation, and least privilege permissions. Practice this question on Interview Mentor and level up your backend skills. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.